Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming the basics before diving deeper into settings and logs. Switch from Wi-Fi to wired Ethernet and test the game again immediately. Restart your modem and router and wait 60 seconds before powering devices back on. Reboot your PC or console after network hardware resets to clear caches. Change your DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 for reliable name resolution and often faster connections. Check your ISP outage status on their site or by calling customer support directly. Open your router settings to enable UPnP for automatic port mapping when possible. If UPnP is unavailable, forward the game's required UDP and TCP ports manually on the router. Consider placing your console or PC in the DMZ temporarily for testing only, not as a long-term solution. Adjust MTU to 1500 if you observe fragmented packets or lag spikes during gameplay. Reboot the router after any change to ensure new rules apply and confirm connectivity. On Windows, run netch winsock reset and reboot the PC to clear socket errors. Update your network adapter drivers to the latest vendor release for stability improvements. Verify the game files in your launcher to repair corrupted or missing data that cause connection failures. Temporarily disable VPNs and proxies to rule out routing conflicts with Ubisoft services. Check firewall and antivirus settings and create explicit, allow rules for the game executable and required communication ports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.